Next, we have learned first of all viruses. Now, we have learned smaller than bacteria, that is viruses. Now we are going to learn smaller than viruses, that is viroids. Smaller than viruses, that is viroids. And viroids, till date जितने discovery हुआ है, viroids cause diseases to plants. Viroids cause diseases to plants. Viroids who had discovered Theodiner in 1971 discovered a new infectious agent that was smaller than viruses and caused this disease. Which disease? Potato spindle tuber disease. Generally हम घर पे जो potatoes लाते हैं, right? This potato shape round or oblong. Yes or no? Yeah, na? But over here, you know sweet potato? Yes. है ना? Its shape look like the which one? Sweet potato. ऐसा shape हो जाता है. Spindle shape. Which one? Spindle shape. So potato spindle. You know potato we call tuber. Yes. याद है 16 नाम? Yes. याद आया? So potato shape की वजह से बोलते हैं spindle tuber diseases. One of the example, right? When these viroids infect the here which plant? पोटेटो. कहीं आगे कौन आया था? टोमेटो. Tobacco in that viruses. Mosaic disease due to viruses. Potato spindle tuber disease due to viroids. Who had discovered? Theodiner. Viroids are now when we see the structure of viruses. Viruses structure क्या था? Outer side capsids or capsomeres, yes or no? Yes. Right? And at the center in that what is present? In that hollow structure, that genetic material. Here that this protein got also absent. Only what thing is present? Genetic material, and that is also only RNA, not the DNA, right? The free RNA that we call what? Viroids. Free RNA, remember, are what? Viroids that lack protein code. Their RNA has low molecular weight. Low molecular weight compared to what? Viruses, right? Viruses have RNA. Yes. Plant viruses, right? So viruses have RNA. Next, viroids have RNA. Yes. Viroids also have what? RNA. But when we see, suppose ये इतना है और ये इतना, right? तो किसका weight ज्यादा होगा? Virus. That's why here mentioned viroids have low molecular weight because they have very small free RNAs. Clear? So viroids very easy. Only 4 lines you should remember. First, their scientist. Here. Right? It cause what? This is that infects animals too? No. Plants. अब तक जितना हुआ है उसमें plants ही है, animals में अभी तक कोई मिला नहीं. Future में मिले तो पता नहीं. Right? Next one. Viroids are free RNA. Viroids have DNA also? No. Viroids have only viroids have protein code. Viroids lack protein code. Viroids have high molecular weight of low. So ये words याद रखना. Lack. चलिए. Clear? After the viroids, that one more infectious agent, and that infectious agent named prions. क्या है? Prions. We have learned bacteria also, viruses, then viroids, and now the last one is the prions. Prions are agent. They are made up of only now proteins. अभी आप बोलोगे proteins तो good for health, isn't it? But protein in biomolecules we will learn. Initial simple structure of protein is formed, right? वो functional नहीं है, structurally form है. फिर उसमें modification होता है, you know, ER form what? RER form what? Proteins. एरियर फॉर्म प्रोटीन। फिर वो प्रोटीन को मॉडिफाई करना, पैकेज करना कौन करता है? गोल्जी बॉडी, याद है ना? गोल्जी बॉडी फॉर पैकेजिंग, दैट्स अ मॉडिफाइंग। सो जब ये मॉडिफाइड हो रहा है ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम, जब फोल्डिंग्स होता है ना यही चेन का, बट इन दैट एबनॉर्मालिटी अगर फोल्डिंग में क्या आ जाए? एबनॉर्मालिटी। प्रॉपर फोल्डिंग अगर ना हो, then it becomes infectious agent. Then it becomes what? Infectious agent. Remember, abnormal folding of protein. क्या बोलना है? Abnormal folding of protein. We call prions. Abnormal fold. They are basically only proteins, right? And in that they are infectious agent. Remember here, abnormal folding occur in these proteins. Prions, when enter the healthy organism, it induces existing properly folded protein to convert into misfold prion form, right? अगर ऐसे abnormal folded proteins बने, meaning वो prions बन गए, फिर वो prions healthy को भी किस में convert कर देते हैं? misfold on, right? For that, two examples are given. First example name, फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल क्या है? मैड बेसिकली कॉजेज न्यूरोलॉजिकल डिसीजेस। क्या? न्यूरोलॉजिकल डिसीजेस, दिस वन। इन दैट फर्स्ट है मैड काउ डिसीज। नेक्स्ट ह्यूमन में जो है उसको बोलते हैं क्रूजफेल्ड जैकब डिसीज। विच वन? क्रूजफेल्ड जैकब डिसीज। यही डिसीज का अनदर नेम है कुरु। कुरु क्या? कुरकुरे नहीं। Which one? Kuru disease, right? Creutzfeldt Jakob disease, or else which one? Kuru disease. In that actually occurs what? That Alzheimer नहीं, Alzheimer is different. She here, आप जो बोल रहे थे ना वो शीत, किसी ने पूछा था वो, हाँ राइट। पोटेटो स्पिंडल ट्यूबर डिसीज, ऐसे पोटेटो के शेप्स हो जाने एबनॉर्मल, दैट इज वायरॉइड डिसीजेस, राइट। नेक्स्ट वन, सी हियर दिस वन इज अ नॉर्मल फोल्डेड प्रोटीन, हियर द विच वन? abnormal folded proteins are there, and abnormal folded proteins we call prions, and that prions caused what? Diseases, generally neurological. One of them that is observed in cattle, that is which disease? Mad cow. Now यहाँ पे आपको ये इमेज में क्या पता चल रहा है? Brain size decreases, brain tissues degeneration occur in case of which one? Creutzfeldt Jakob disease, right? It's caused by abnormal proteins called prions that are not killed by standard methods for sterilizing that the surgical equipment. As prions build up in cells, the brain slowly shrink. देखिए brain size decrease हो रहा है, ये स्कल का पोर्शन है, राइट? नॉर्मल होता ना तो यहाँ पे ये व्हाइट पोर्शन होता है, ये जो यहाँ पे है ना, दैट विल ओवर हियर ऑन दिस, बट इतना साइज डिक्रीज हो गया ड्यू टू द इंफेक्शन ऑफ व्हाट? prions, and the tissue fills with the holes until it resembles a sponge. पूरे बॉडी में मीन्स पूरे ब्रेन में यहाँ पे होल्स जैसे क्रिएट हो जाना। स्पॉन्ज, यू नो स्पॉन्ज है ना, घर पे भी जो यूज होता है उसमें कितने सारे होल्स होते हैं माइन्यूट, राइट? दैट टाइप ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर ओवर हियर फॉर्म. Those affected lose the ability to think. Next, and to move properly and suffer from memory loss, right? It is always fatal. This leads to fatal, meaning death. This leads to death usually within 1 year of that onset of illness, right? Because gradually ये brain size decrease हो जाएगा पूरा, right? Brain size decrease, nothing, brain का किसी organ के साथ फिर coordination ही नहीं, right? तो कोई activity होगा फिर हमारे physiological function नहीं, that leads to death. That leads to what? Death. Clear? So prions, remember, they are abnormally folded or misfolds of proteins that cause डिसीज इन कैटल्स वी कॉल मैड काउ, एंड ह्यूमंस में जो है वो क्रूज, पैलर, जैकब डिसीज और कुरू. मेनली ह्यूमन के ब्रेन की जब बात है तो वो क्या कर रहा है, श्रिंकेज, साइज डिक्रीजेस, राइट. और वहां पे सारा क्या स्पॉन्जीनेस आ जाता है, फ्लूइड फिल्म फॉर्मेशन क्या हो जाता है, स्टार्ट. Mad cow diseases, again it's a which one, neurological diseases or disorder, right, and commonly found in a which cattle, adult cattle, right. It occurs in cows and humans when they eat food contaminated by misfolded proteins called prions. तो ये फूड कंटामिनेशन से हमें होता है, right. Next one, affected cows and human often experience impaired movement, coordination and thinking. इसमें भी neurological है तो see right now there is no vaccine for this disease, right. इसके भी कोई vaccines नहीं है. Clear? यहाँ तक कोई डाउट? Viruses, viroids and prions that we have learned. Which one has only protein? Only protein. Prions, PP, proteins, prions, right? Which one has only that's the RNA? Viroids. Which one has only genetic material? Viroids. Which one has protein and nucleic acid both? Smallest कौन होगा? Viruses or viroids? Which one has low molecular weight RNA? Which one cause disease to only plants? Viroids. Which one cause neurological disorder? Prions. Next, that animal viruses have what? Animal viruses have what as a genetic material? Double stranded, single or double stranded DNA. Plant viruses, ssRNA, and bacteriophages, double stranded DNA, right. Next, mad cow disease and another name, Creutzfeldt disease, right. In that, shrinkage of brain tissue. For that, vaccine is available? No, right. That gradually leads to death of the organism. Stop.